everybody, today I'm going to be showing you two vacuums, and we got a Bissell Powerforce Helix and the Hoover Windtunnel Max Bagged edition. And this is a grooming competition, and we'll have Bissell, Hoover compete. So, guess the thing we do is put down a little bit of paper. We're not going to put down a lot of paper, but we're going to put down a little bit of paper, and we will start vacuuming. So this is a grooming competition, and we're also going to talk about the height adjustments on all these vacuums, like this one, and how they are different. So the Bissell has just one that you turn. You could put there 4, 2, 3, 4, and you see it's moving while I'm twisting it. So for this, we're probably going to use middle for like high-ish, and we'll figure out if it's making a horrible screeching sound. We'll higher it a little bit more. Now with the Hoover, you need to push down and turn, because the Hoover is a little bit more different. You can't just turn it. That's difficult if you turn it like that. You need to push and turn. So again, you'll put it right on 4, and we will get to vacuuming. Our first vacuum we're going to use is going to be the Bissell. So it's a fair competition, but it's not really when you come to price range. When you come to price range, you're going to have like, this one's going to be like $150, and this one's going to be like $50. So if the Bissell does as good or better than the Hoover, I would recommend this to people. And compared to this is like for like big messes, stuff like that. So let's get right into the competition. Alright, so we put a log right beside us, so that way we know which side is which. So Hoover side is right over here, Bissell side is right over here, and we will start vacuuming with the Bissell. So we just realized if you're looking on that camera over there, you can see that you're seeing marks from the brush roller compartment. So I think we're going to go up 2 more or 1 more. So let's twist it up to more about high carpet. So let's try it now. Yeah, much better. So that's what you're going to expect from one pass with paper with the Bissell. It's not bad, in my opinion. There's just a couple pieces around, so it's not really bad, but it could be worser. So now we're going to get the Hoover. Now, I feel like the Hoover might do a better job. So we're going to turn on the extra brush roller mode for this carpet. So I think it's on. Pull up the cable. Alright, so same problem again. It's really grooming the carpet good, and that's not fair to competition over here. So, let's raise it. Alright, we're on mode 5 on this. Let's try it again. Alright, so that's all vacuumed up. And I would really like to say, I really liked how the Bissell did. Because you saw me running over this a lot of times. Just like running over it a lot. And I didn't really like I had to keep going over and over just to get a clean space. So the Bissell did good on that. Now it comes down to the real test. Who actually won? Alright everybody, we figured out votes are in. So we have Hoover Windtunnel Max and Bissell Powerforce Helix. And another drum roll. The Bissell has won this competition. I mean, look how much is in its bin. You can definitely see how much is in its bin. A lot. You can see all that fine debris. It picked up a little bit more. It picked up some fine debris with it as well. We can't tell with the Hoover because it's a bag system. But I'm going to say the Bissell won. And I know I didn't go back and forth with this. Either one is good. If you care about filtration, go with the Hoover. So if you want the less expensive model, that it's not quite as good on filtration as this vacuum with the HEPA seal system. It should stay on the box when you get it. On this one, HEPA filtration. This one's not as good at that, but it does have a couple filters you clean every once in a while. But all in all, I vote this one if you're on a budget and stuff like that. If you're not on a budget, you have $150, $200, this would be a good idea. Because you have a hose just like this one has, but I feel like it would go longer than the other one because this hose literally comes even behind my camera. Well, I mean, look how far that goes. You can literally see that in the view. So, this is a long hose. And I'll show you what the other hose looks like on here. Here's the other hose. It's not quite as far as that one, but it's still a good length. It's not like it doesn't have any hose at all. So we're going to raise it up one more. This is its highest mode it can go. Let's go do it again. And we're on its highest mode. It might have done, if not even better, with the higher mode. Because you saw I picked it up pretty quickly. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.